Hello guys, on this video I'm gonna show you how to download and install IntelliJ IDEA on your Windows 10 computer. So let's get started. First we're gonna open up our internet browser. Let's maximize this. Now we're gonna search for download IntelliJ IDEA for Windows 10. And here we're gonna select the first option, which is from www.jetbrains.com. Here there is two options to download the IntelliJ IDEA. One is a ultimate version. There is a free trial. You can download this, but after the free trial, you're gonna have to subscribe for the ultimate version of IntelliJ IDEA. And the other one is the community version, which is free and open source. So let's select the community version. Let's click download. And it's gonna start downloading. Guys, I already downloaded this. It takes like 10 to 15 minutes, so I'm gonna close this browser. That's it. So this is the file that we downloaded, the IntelliJ IDEA executable file. I'm gonna double click on it. Click next. And here you can change the file where you wanted to save your IntelliJ IDEA by keeping the default option here. I'm gonna click on next. And so we're finished here. I'm gonna check this to run the IntelliJ IDEA and click finish. I'm gonna check this checkbox. I confirm and continue. I'm gonna skip this for now. Create new project. Click next. And create a template for. So if you check this checkbox, you're just gonna create a template, which is the main class. Next, we can name it first project. And finish. And there you go guys, because of the checkbox that we selected before, it created the main Java class, which is our main class. And there you go guys, that's how you install IntelliJ IDEA on your Windows 10 computer for free. If you like this video, please hit the like button and feel free to comment, and hopefully you subscribe. And thank you for watching, and I see you on my next video. Bye bye.